Cheetah, Acinonyx jubatus. The life of the fastest hunter on land. The cheetah, known scientifically as Acinonyx jubatus, is the fastest land animal, capable of reaching breathtaking speeds. It is easily recognized by its slender body, deep chest, spotted golden coat, and distinctive tear marks running from the eyes down to the mouth. Weight: 40 to 70 kilograms. Length: 1.1 to 1.5 meters, excluding tail. Habitat: open grasslands, savannas, and arid regions. Geographic range: mostly in sub-Saharan Africa. With a critically endangered population in Iran, the cheetah's lean frame, large nasal passages, and oversized adrenal glands are evolutionary adaptations for short bursts of extreme speed. Speed and hunting strategy: cheetahs are known for their incredible acceleration, going from 0 to 96 km per hour, 0 to 60 miles per hour, in just a few seconds. They can hit top speeds up to 113 km per hour, 70 miles per hour. Though only for brief sprints lasting 20 to 30 seconds, covering around 200 to 300 meters. Their hunting relies on sight more than smell or sound. A typical hunt follows this pattern. Stalking: the cheetah crouches low in the grass to avoid detection. Chase: once close enough, within 50 to 100 meters, it explodes into a sprint. Trip and takedown: it aims to swipe at the legs of prey to trip it, then suffocates the animal with a throat bite. Prey and success rate: their preferred prey includes Thompson's gazelle, impala, springbok, young wildebeest, hares and small antelope. Success rate in hunts ranges from 40% to 50%, higher than lions or leopards. However, cheetahs often lose their kill to larger predators like lions, hyenas, or leopards. Sexual maturity and mating. Maturity: cheetahs reach sexual maturity around 20 to 24 months of age. Breeding season: no fixed breeding season, mating can occur year-round. Estrus cycle: females are in heat for 7 to 14 days. Often marked by frequent urination and increased vocalization. Mating involves a brief courtship, and females may mate with multiple males during their fertile period. Males and coalition behavior: male cheetahs are often seen forming coalitions, usually siblings, to defend territory and increase access to females. Coalitions have a better chance at controlling prime territories with high prey density and access to receptive females. Pregnancy and cubs. Gestation and birth. Gestation: approximately 90 to 95 days. Litter size: 2 to 4 cubs on average, though up to 6 is possible. Cubs are born in dens hidden in tall grass or bushes. Blind, and weighing around 250 to 300 grams. At birth, cubs have a silvery mantle of fur along their backs, possibly mimicking the appearance of the honey badger to deter predators. Development of cubs: eyes open, 10 to 14 days. Start walking: approximately 3 weeks. First solid food: around 6 weeks. Weaning: by 3 months. Cubs begin learning hunting skills from their mother through play and observation. Cubs stay with the mother for 12 to 18 months, after which they separate and may form sibling groups. Unfortunately, cub mortality is high. In some areas up to 90% die. mostly due to predation or starvation. Parental care and threats to cubs. Cheetah mothers are sole caretakers. They move cubs to new hiding places every few days to avoid detection by predators like lions, hyenas, jackals, birds of prey, e.g. eagles. Despite the mother's vigilance, many cubs are still lost, especially during the first 2 months. Social structure. Solitary nature. Females are generally solitary, except when raising cubs. Males form coalitions, which is unusual among big cats. Cheetahs do not roar like lions but make a variety of sounds. Chirping, when calling cubs or mates. Purring, when content. Growling, hissing, when threatened. Conservation status. Cheetahs are listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List, with some subspecies, e.g. the Asiatic cheetah in Iran, listed as critically endangered. Threats. Habitat loss due to agriculture and human development. Human-wildlife conflict, e.g. killing livestock. Poaching and illegal pet trade. Low genetic diversity. Right pointing arrow. High susceptibility to disease. Conservation efforts. Captive breeding programs. Rewilding and habitat restoration. Wildlife corridors to link isolated populations. Education and local community engagement. Organizations like the Cheetah Conservation Fund, CCF, and Panthera are leading global efforts. Interesting facts. A cheetah's stride length at full speed can reach 6 to 7 meters. Their large nasal passages and lungs support rapid oxygen intake. Cheetahs cannot climb well like leopards due to their lightweight build. They hunt during the day to avoid competition with nocturnal predators. Conclusion. The cheetah is a marvel of nature, a predator specialized for speed, precision, and agility. From its unique social structure to the challenges of raising vulnerable cubs, the cheetah's life is both fascinating and fragile. Understanding and protecting these majestic animals is not just about saving a species. It's about preserving a vital part of Earth's biodiversity.